Is it beautiful down there, Mermy?
Yes. It's fun. I got a water bug.
You did? Oh my goodness.
It's Julie. I know, but it's
Are they all the way on the other side?
great.
Meredith is almost at the other side.
I got a water bug.
Caroline's right behind you.
Bring it back.
They're on the other side.
Beautiful. There's no other bugs over here. Hi.
Hey. What have you got?
A water bug. Just hold it and don't let it. And
Water bug.
it's in your hand now. Squash it up really small.
Hi.
Nope. Yep.
What Hi. Can we go in?
I released the water bug. Up. Did you get another one?
Yep.
Well, honey-
And just close your hand on medium.
Okay.
Get out!
Okay, I feel them in there. Why am I holding on to them?
So you can't get away. No.
How to catch a water bug.
Is he in there still?
Yep.
Up. Up.
Gotcha.
Okay, Jackie, what is it?
I'm gonna cut a water bug
Where is he?
right there.
Now take a picture of him.
I've got a movie going of him right now.
Hi. Well, this is a water bug. I hope I'm not hurting him with doing this.
A water bug!
Whoa. It looks like exactly like a spider. Now I can see his little eyes. Now can I let him go now?
Sure.
Okay.
No, right there, that little swimming thing.
Are we neglecting man?
Over there. Miranda, I discovered the water bugs. Ah! Get me away from these! I don't